Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to start a new topic, that is changing font typeface, size, and color. There are many type of fonts available in MS Word. We can change the font typeface, that is the style of the text as per our choice. So, many type of fonts are available in MS Word like Arial, Calibri, sans serif, etc. Okay, so you can change the font type and the font style according to your requirement. We first select the text, then we choose the font style from the font group of Home tab. Similarly, we can choose a font size from the drop down list like this. So, here you will able to see that in the font group of the Home tab, like this options will be available. So, when you will click on the font group of the Home tab, this font dialog box will appear. From here you can change the font typeface, and from here you can change the font size to 11, 12, 13, whatever you want. So, by default the size is 11 and by default the selected font type is Calibri. So, you can select any of the font you want and you can change the size according to your requirement. So, here one example is given to change the font type. So, here they have selected Arial and a simple writing is there, I love computer. Then a person have selected Times New Roman. So, you will see that in small handwriting I love computer is written. Then third is Comic Sans. It means in a bold and in different letter, different type, I love computer is written. Okay, so you can change the font style or font type from this menu. Now next is highlighting text. Highlighting text allows us to emphasize the text. Emphasize, it means to make our text more attractive, more clear, more highlighted, as we would if we had a marker. The various steps to highlight a text are listed below. So, first you have to select the text which you want to highlight. Then you have to click on the highlight button available in the font group of ribbon tab, and you will see a color box will appear. To change the color of the highlighter, you have to click on any color in the color box you want. For example, if you have written I can play games on computer and it is highlighted with the yellow color. So, here you will see that when you go to font group, here an highlighting button will appear. So, from this you can when you will click on this button, like this dialog box will appear. From this you can select the color which you want and your text will get highlighted with that color. Okay, next topic is changing the text color. If you want to change the color of your text, for example, if by default I love computer is written in black, but you want it to be written in blue, red, yellow or any other color, then you can also change the text color. So, for changing the text color, the various steps you have to follow, which is given below. First, select the text and then you have to go to Home tab. Click on the font color button. So, this is called the font color button. This A symbol is called the font color button. Next is click on the font color button. The theme color box drop down will appear. Okay, so when you will click on this A button, which is used to change the color of the text, you will see like this theme color box will appear. You can choose the color which you want. You can select black, red, blue, purple, many different shades are available. So, you have to choose the color which you want by clicking on it. And you will see here that I can play games on computer will be written by purple color. Okay, so like this you can change the text of the color. Next topic is copying the format. If we have already formatted the text the way we want it and would like another portion of the document to have the same formatting, then we can copy the formatting. For example, in one text like I can play games on computer, you have performed the formatting work. You have changed the color of the text, you have highlighted it, you have changed the font type, you have changed the font size. Now we want the same formatting to be repeated for the another text. Then you can copy that format. So, now let us see the steps to copy the formatting that are listed below. First, select the text with the formatting you want to copy. Then you have to click on the Format Painter button in the clipboard group of home tab. So here you will see that the home tab is available and here a format printer button is available. The mouse pointer will turn into a paint brush. So here you will see that the sign of the paint brush is there. So when you will click on this button, the mouse pointer will turn into the paintbrush way. Now apply the copy format by selecting the text and clicking on it. So first you have to select the text that you want to copy, the formatting. Then you have to click on this format painter button and you will see that the text which is selected will be applied to the same formatting. We have copied the formatting of a previous text which we have done and it will get copied to the text which we have selected. Okay, so now next topic is clearing formatting. To clear the text formatting, we follow the given steps. First, select the text whose formatting you want to clear. Clear formatting means you have changed the font type, you have highlighted the text, you have changed the text color. Now you want to clear all the formatting. You want a normal text like before you have written. So you can clear the formatting. You can just edit the formatting which is made by you and you can get back the original text which you have written. So first you have to select the text whose formatting you wish to clear. Then you have to click on the clear formatting option. So here you will see that a clear formatting option is available. So you can just click on this button and the formatting will get cleared. Okay, so here we are finishing our session with this. Let us quickly revise what we have studied today. So first we have seen how to change the font typeface, how to change the size and how to change the color of the text. Then we have seen how to change the text color. Then how to copy the formatting from one text to another text, and last we have seen how to clear the formatting which we have done. Okay, so in the next class we will continue with the topic changing text alignment. For now, bye bye, have a great day ahead.